Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
If you are looking for a good fertilizer for your garden, don't throw your excess potato water down the sink, whether you're making mashed potatoes or potato salad. When you are done boiling those potatoes, that potato water is liquid gold. It's rich in nutrients your garden needs. If you like gardening, tips like these, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're wondering how potato water works, it contains starch that acts as a food source for good bacteria and fungi in the soil. It encourages the growth of healthy microorganisms, creating nutrient-rich soil. And as the starch breaks down, it releases nitrogen, which gives your plants leafy growth, phosphorus for root and flower development, potassium assists in plant health and disease resistance, and calcium. Just like your bones, calcium helps plants build sturdy cell walls. Here's how to make potato water, an all-natural organic fertilizer for your garden. You will need 3 to 5 potatoes, any variety, 4 to 6 cups. Water boil the potatoes without salt until they are soft. Important: pouring salt on your plants will kill them and anything around them, making it great for killing weeds between sidewalk cracks, but deadly in your garden. Remove the potatoes and make something delicious. Let the potato water cool completely. Optional: dilute with extra water, using a 1-to-1 ratio on delicate plants, herbs, and seedlings. Pour directly at the base of plants as a liquid fertilizer. Just a quick note: potato water should be a supplement, not the only source of hydration. For most outside plants, use 1 to 2 cups per plant once a week. For houseplants, herbs, and potted plants, use 1/2 cup per small pot. For larger pots, use 1 cup per pot, twice a month. When fertilizing seedlings and delicate plants, dilute with regular water and use 1/2 cup per plant. Every 2 weeks, a few plants that will benefit from potato water are leafy greens, fruits, vegetables, herbs, and house plants. When using potatoes in your garden, here are some tips on how not to attract unwanted guests, such as raccoons, deer, and even roaches. Don't throw the peelings in your garden. Put them in the compost instead. Don't saturate the plant with potato water. Make sure the area is well drained. Don't store potato water. The fresher, the better. Fermentation can attract pests. Using potato water is a great natural way to fertilize your garden.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.